Welcome to my video for fitting some reflective wheel rim tape. Purchased these from eBay a few weeks ago, not got around to fitting them yet. It's a nice sunny day today, so I think I'll have a go. You can see how reflective they are. Not quite good. All I need from the instructions is a pair of scissors and these. There's two methods of fitting them. Apparently one is a wet method, which is using basically a little bit of liquid soapy water to put them on. That way you can reposition them. These are quite short rather than the full circle on the wheel trim, so these should be relatively easy to fit. Well, we'll give it a go. Okay, I've cut one of the strips out to make sure they fit on the wheel rim, which I haven't even measured yet, and we'll take it over to the bike and have a go. Okay, alright, here's the wheel rim. And these look like these will fit just about. I'm not sure how difficult this is going to be, so I'll probably try and do one without recording, and if that works we'll try one while I am recording. Okay, let's give it a go. I have pulled the backing paper off and positioned as well as I can the rim tape, and I'll just pull off the cover off the separate bits. Hopefully gently does it. There we are. Excellent. Looking good. There we go. Yep, that's a lot. And there's one trim fitted. I think it looks quite good, to be honest. I should probably put 3 on this wheel, one towards the end of each spoke, and on both sides. I shall attempt to show you the full process on the next one. Okay, let's attempt to record the entire process. Peel the backing tape off a little way. Try and get this a little bit more central than my last one was. About there. Oh, the sun's bright, reflecting off it. Let's make sure car headlights do the same. There we are. I've got quite a curved rim on both sides on the lip, which makes it a little difficult to align it perfectly. There we go. And there we are. Ram it on, and then try and remove the cover. Oh, lovely. And the other cover. There we are. Excellent. Another wheel trim. Okay, thank you very much. I will show you the finished product when I've done all the wheels. I must have been quite impressed with the reflective qualities on these. Okay, and a big thank you to Jake for holding the camera. Okay, the finished product. It probably took me around 10 minutes to 15 minutes per wheel, or per side of each wheel, to fit the tape. It was relatively straightforward, a bit more fiddly on the back as you might expect. The wheels were more greasy, so it was harder to get them to stick initially, whereas on the front they start first time every time. But I gave the wheels another clean, and the instructions do recommend you use some sort of methylated spirit to clear any grease off. But I think overall they look quite good. Doing the exhaust side and the disc brake side was, as you can imagine, immensely tedious and quite fiddly. And there we are. Excellent. Overall they all cost £15 from eBay, from a seller, Magnum Graphics. And as you can see, I still have 6 left over. So in case any of them do fall off or have any problem, which is largely down to user error, I would imagine, I have replacements. Okay, well, take care. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Okay, here are the finished reel intake. On the Zontes Monster 125 5A.